and thanks for joining me once again. Today we're opening a box from Bountiful Baby. It's only got 6 kits in it this time, so a little bit of smaller order. We're also going to be showing you what other kits I have available at the moment. So I did find it a bit funny how it takes 2 to 3 days max for a package to get from Utah right across the United States and then from there to Sydney in Australia. But it takes about 2 to 3 weeks to go from Sydney to Perth on the other side of Australia. It's a little bit frustrating sometimes, but the delay isn't in getting things from America to Australia. It's usually once they hit Australia that things slow down a bit. But they arrive safely, so that's fine. I'm also going to be showing you what other kits I have available, because I picked up a couple at the Reborn doll show this year, and I had a few still left over from my previous order with Bountiful Baby. I'll go through all that with you. So let's see, we should have 6 different bodies. We've got that one. Most of them are the same because they're all the same size kits except one. Got some hair for Malachi, who's a partial silicone that's here and waiting to go home. So our first kit is Emmy asleep, and it's the newborn Emmy asleep, so she has 1/4 limbs. So some people are now considering that to be a cuddle baby. Then we have Alyssa asleep. I'll get them all out after. Stephen awake. He's cute. And I need to get him some eyes. Daphne asleep. She's one I've done before and was really, really cute. Summer Rain asleep. And who else? Layla asleep. I'll get them all out. And then we've got their certificates all here. And some hemostats, which will help with the drink and wet systems in the silicones. So that one is Emmy asleep, newborn, so she has 1/4 limbs. Then Alyssa asleep. Stephen awake. He's a cutie. Daphne asleep. Layla asleep. And Summer Rain. So all of these babies will be available in the new year at some point. Then we've got some hair and some hemostats. And a pile of bodies. So I have between 10 and 15 kits here waiting to be painted. I've got Sage sleeping 4 months that's waiting for hair, and a mermaid that I'm going to paint the hair on. But I'm not working until the 1st January, taking the rest of the year off. Much deserved break. See you all in the new year. This is Elliot by Cassie Brace, and he's 21.5 inches long. John John by Faye Faritas at 21 to 22 inches. Sandy by Maria Lynn Grover at 17 inches. Realborn Blake, he's 18 inches. And Elliot by Michelle Fagan, who's 23 to 24 inches.